Rich. Have a good one. Darkness, my old friend, come to talk with you again. A vision softly creeping left me see while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walk alone, now streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo I must climb, turn my collar to the golden dime. When my eyes were slapped by flash of neon night, the fitment night, touch the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs with voices they never share. No one dares disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows in my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell. No one knows within the well of silence, and the people bowed and prayed. The neon god they made, and the sign flashed its warning in the words that it was for me. And the sign said the words the prophets written on the walls, the tenement hall, in the sound of silence.